Welcome to George's School of Learning. My favourite buddy. What are you bloody doing here?
Little birdie told me you were climbing today, mate, so I thought I'd come and visit.
Sly dog.
How are you?
All right, mate. I thought I was going to have a nice day with a smile from ear to ear. Now you're going to have me with grumpy. It's all good.
What's the go today then without Jamie?
Well, we're going to play this game that I call Let's Pretend. You can let's pretend that I'm Jamie, yeah. You can let's pretend that Steve's Jamie. Or you can just say, look, Jamie's not here and we're going to carry on regardless, all right? That's probably a better way to go. Righto. Remove reflective branches to reduce overhanging onto service wires. What the are they talking about?
Is it over here?
Service wires over here.
Let's keep the wires over here.
Oh, this one here. All right. That's a modern device. That's called an Akimbo. I would use something either called a hand descender, which is just basically does the same thing, but the rope lays through that in a couple of different ways so you can go up and down. With this device, you got to pull down and pull up at the same time. With my hand descender, it's just slide it straight up and it's done. In actual fact, I feel like I'm going backwards, like for a $650 device, you want to lift you up in the tree. I reckon you come down here and crack onto this first up. All right, get the big one out of the way. That's what he's doing. Where the little red lines are. This is going to be a bit of work because we're probably going to need maybe 3 blokes on this. It's getting manhandled with 2. He's going to need someone to drag branches to keep that out of the way. All right, no worries. Oh, that's the one getting the removal. Righto. And then that's it, is it?
Yeah.
Damn, that's a bit of work here.
So there's 11 in total.
We can probably get the truck into there for all that stuff in there. Come around here, do this bit here, so those branches from there can probably come out this way. So all this stuff here we can probably just drag out that way.
Yeah.
Alright, you happy with that?
Yep.
Alright, that's the way we're going to play it then, alright? Done. I hope I don't get a headache.